When we talk about responsible sourcing, it's about choosing the suppliers that are aligned with our values. They must really follow our code of conduct. We're also talking about ethical labor practices, environmental protection. So ultimately, responsible sourcing sets the tone for a business that's thoughtful, principled, and future-focused. Whether we are selecting medical equipment or technical installations, it's very important that our suppliers are able to distribute locally to ensure that maintainability of what we have installed works. So when selecting a construction company, a top priority is that they are local, which helps building trust, creating local jobs and strengthening the regional economy. Of course, we also look for their adherence to deadlines, for their quality and environmental accreditations like ISO 9001 and 14001 and the likes, and of course, their sustainable business practices. When assessing a potential supplier, we look into their credentials and reputation. We look at their certifications, health and safety practices. And for substantial suppliers, we also send a questionnaire that covers those plus compliance, transparency, financial stability, etc. Additionally, for suppliers engaged in construction, we require that their contract aligns with our construction, environmental and social management plans and adhere to their performance indicators. When possible, we audit our suppliers' premises, for example, a laboratory we are using, or we can undertake other types of due diligence. Our choices directly shape how people perceive the quality, functionality, and trust behind our projects. When choosing our suppliers, a local representative and local content is a must. The functionality and good performance of our supplies and equipment must last throughout the life of the project. We also must comply with our lenders' requirements in international environmental and social standards, working conditions, human rights, biodiversity, resilience to climate change, local content, etc. All these play an important role.